Hey y'all, it's Victoria from Super Geeked. This is going to be a quick little video, but I wanted to share with you some of the modern pieces I'm picking up that you can pick up from big box retailers to fit in with your vintage Christmas decorations. Luckily, for the last few years, vintage, mid-century modern style Christmas decorations have been very popular. And if you're new to collecting the old, but still have a lot of space to fill in your home, I recommend trying some of these big box options to fill in until you're able to grow your collection. I did the video like this last year and it seemed to be very popular, so I'm going to show you what I picked up. I have a large collection of vintage Christmas decorations, so it's not like I need modern decorations, but some of these are just so cute, I can't pass them up. I may have some of the ones that you've already seen in stores, like the fawns from previous years that were at Target, both the ornaments and the ceramic ones. So you won't see those in this haul because I already own them. But I did pick up some new ones. So I did go to Target first, and well, first thing I did was order this really cute little ceramic Christmas tree. It lights up. You can't really tell with my ring light on, but it was an ornament. I did take the ornament top off. Let me tell you what happened. So I ordered this little bad boy in pink. I liked it because it was tiny. I have a collection of ceramic Christmas trees, both vintage and modern, a whole bunch of them. And I don't have any that are this small. So I thought this would be really cute for my mid-century modern mirrored curio that I have in my living room, but they sent me it in green. So I contacted Target and they told me to just keep it. They don't have the pink anymore. And I went to my local store and all they had was a white one, but the white one was missing one of the bulbs. And the old ceramic Christmas trees, the bulbs are removable, and these they're not. And these are battery operated. The old ones do have a light bulb and they plug in, but still cute, still vintage inspired. So I'm happy to have one. I just wish it was pink. Then I went to Target in person and I have a bunch of vintage and modern of these. They are Bottlebrush Trees. I got these because they were in a neutral color. The other ones that Target had were in really bright colors, like really bright colors that wouldn't really go with my collection. So I didn't get any of those, but I did get some of these neutral ones. I like that they're spiral. And so there is a pattern to them and the frosting is only on part of them. Very cool. And it's like these on the small ones. So these will look cute mixed in with my pastel ones and then my traditional green ones. I thought these were really cute. So I got these from Target. And then also from Target, I like to pick up these little tiny, they look like glass balls. I collect vintage ball, mercury glass, shiny bright, that type of ornament for my big aluminum Christmas tree. But my small Christmas tree, they didn't make a lot of small ornaments. They had a very standard size of Christmas ornament. So I pick up these that are vintage inspired to add to my miniature aluminum Christmas tree that I have. I also got this very basic table runner. I have a vintage Christmas tablecloth, but I wanted some things to help me decorate the centerpiece for my table. So I got this really cute tasseled red and pink. Again, the pink is very much my colors. You can see my lamp. My couch is a very mauvey pink, which was very 1950s. And so I thought this table runner would go great with my collection. And last up from Target were these adorable bad boys. Look at that cute little vintage car with a wreath on the front, Christmas packages. So cute. I just could not leave this behind. And then they had a fire truck. It has little Christmas lights on it and the ladder and the wreath on the front. Very cute. Very vintage inspired, and my husband's a firefighter, so hence the fire truck. So yeah, I was super glad to find those. Then I headed over to Hobby Lobby where I got a lot of really cool vintage pieces. They had a lot of the same stuff that they had last year, so I didn't get too much there this year, but they did have these. These were new. They are ceramic Christmas trees, night lights, and I got 2 of them. I think they had them in green also, but I prefer the white. So I got 2 of the whites. I thought those were really cool. And then I got this sweet little guy, which is a cute little fawn with the decorations, very vintage inspired, that says Merry Christmas. So very cute. I was very happy with the modern pieces I found to add to my vintage Christmas decorations. If you're interested in checking out my Merry Kitschmas series, you'll want to subscribe, hit the bell notification, and stay tuned because I pour my heart into this Merry Kitschmas series every year. My Vintage Christmas is one of my largest collections and I'm always excited to share it with you. So stay tuned for that. Obviously, I'm already in the Christmas spirit. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, y'all.